loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be on this blue glitter halo cut crease look. I really hope you all enjoy it. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe if you were not subscribed already. So let's get started. So as always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I'm going to blend that out with a brush and then set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And just make sure you're blending that concealer all the way up to underneath your brows so that it blends in seamlessly with the concealer that you use to clean up your brows. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is her collaboration with Morphe. And I'm going to first pick up the Hunt's color on a Morphe E27 brush. I'm going to blend this all through my crease and my transition area. This is just going to help the other shadows blend easily into one another. I'm going to keep it kind of light because I just want a little bit of a light wash, nothing too intense. So next I'm going to pick up the Soda Pop color on a Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to blend this all through my crease, but I'm going to place that crease line a little bit higher than my natural crease. This is a great step if you have hooded eyes, slightly hooded eyes, or you just don't have a lot of lid space. I know it probably sounds like a broken record, but it really does help to give the illusion that you actually have a lot more going on in the lid region. So we're just going to blend this through our crease, wherever you want your crease to be, and very lightly just buff that through in a rounded shape because we are going for a halo eye today. So just from inner to outer corner, and then to further blend it, to get your blend game popping, go ahead just on that line that you just drew and do little circles all the way through like this. Not too big, just very light circles. And this is just really going to help everything look a lot more blended. And then you can go back and forth, you know, switch it up. With darker shades, you always want to go in with a light hand first. So not a ton of product to start, and then you can build up. That way it doesn't get out of hand or get too muddy or anything like that. Now I'm going to pick up my Morphe E27 brush and I'm just going to buff along the edge of that Soda Pop color. I didn't add any shadow to this brush. I'm just using it to diffuse the line and to blend it into the other colors in our crease. And now you can kind of go over that shadow a little bit just to make it more seamless. And I'm using sort of the edge of the brush. I'm not going full on, if that makes sense. And I find sometimes that little circular motions really give you that flawless blend because we're trying to be flawless. Next, I'm going to go in with my super small detail brush and the Abyss color, and I'm going to further deepen my crease. And again, I'm going to place this crease line slightly higher than my natural crease. It's been a while since I picked up this palette, but I am still really impressed with the quality. I'm just going to lightly buff out the line with this same small detail brush. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe E36 brush to further buff out that line. There is no shadow on this brush, and I'm going to be going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, but I'm also going to be doing tiny little baby swirls. It's not too high, not too low, just right where that line is to get it nice and diffused. Take your time with the blend. I know sometimes it can be tempting to kind of rush it and it'll still look good, but if you want it to look bomb, I highly suggest just really taking your time and really blending it out nicely. Next, I'm going to carve out my lid using that same LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I'm going to take that on a flat brush, and I want it to be super precise and super detailed. So when I get closer to the crease, I'm going to switch over to a smaller flat brush to make sure to keep it really crisp and clean. So first, I'm going to go in with the Hunt's color on a flat brush, and I'm going to place that on the inner and outer third of my eye. And you just want to pack this on the lid, and you want to sort of place it in a bit of a diagonal shape. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M326 brush, and I'm going to pick up a combination of the Soda Pop and the Abyss color, and I'm going to place that in my inner and outer third as well, just not as far in as the Hunt's color. Next, I'm going to go in with another flat brush and that blue color from the BH Cosmetic Foil Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to pack that right in the center of my lid. I'm also going to go in with some of the Twerk color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to place that in the same spot just to deepen that blue up a little bit. Now with that same blue eyeshadow and the flat brush, I'm going to start blending it into the inner and outer third of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Hunts color and blend that into the blue as well. And I'm just going back and forth with the blue and with the Hunts just to make sure that it's nicely blended. And I'm just using the flat brush. Next, I'm going in with that white shade from the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyeshadow Palette on a Morphe E19 brush. And I'm going to run that all along the tops of my lid, right below that crease line. I'm then going to sharpen up that crease even more using the Abyss color on a super small detail brush, and I'm going to place this right at the base of my cut crease. And I'm buffing it out really gently with that same detail brush. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Multitasker Mix in Medium, some chunky multicolored glitter, and with a detail brush, I'm going to apply that right at the base of my crease. If you are going to be wearing this look for a long time, I would definitely suggest using some glitter glue or even just your eyelash glue that'll keep it adhered for longer. And now I'm going to take some more of that white shade from the BH Cosmetics palette on that same Morphe E19 brush, and I'm going to place that color right down the center of my eye, like so. So moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to apply both of those blue shades using my Morphe M408 brush right below my lashes. And then I'm going to go in with a combination of Abyss and Soda Pop from the Jaclyn Hill palette on a Morphe M326 brush, but I'm going to focus this color on the outer third of my lower lash line. I'm then going to grab a Morphe E17 brush and just blend out that line. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush and the Hunts color, and I'm going to use that to further smoke out my lower lash line. To highlight my inner eye corner, I'm going to go in with that white shade from the BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. I'm then going to line my waterline with this white eyeliner from NYC. For mascara, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Cocoa Lashes in the Queen Bee style. Alright guys, so the eyes are done. I'm just quickly going to show you what lip color I'm going to be wearing. I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. So I'm first going to line my lips with this brown lip liner from Italia Deluxe. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. matte lipstick in the color Blushing Brown. This lipstick is so nice. It's like really creamy and soft. For blush, I went in with the e.l.f. Blush Palette in Dark, and I took this color right here at the bottom on an e.l.f. complexion brush. And for highlight, I'm going in with the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collaboration, and this is Le Peach, and I'm just going to take that on an e.l.f. highlighting brush. I'm going to highlight down the bridge of my nose using that same highlighter and a Morphe E19 brush. I'm quickly going to set my face with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and that'll complete the look. Alright my loves, this is the look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe if you were not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day.